Yeah, maybe.
Tabletop.
The very first time, maybe we ought to just go ahead and launch it.
Oh, come on. Come on. Tabletop takeoff.
I don't know whether I'm going to get a thrust factor or not. You know,
they're not counting this year.
You want me to throw it for you? Yeah. Let's just do for the first time.
He wants to see it fly. You want to go this way?
Yeah, I would rather see it fly the first time again.
Sense the fire. It's going back up. Whoa!
You mean like that?
Oh! Oh! Oh, Larry!
Oh, you broke the tail off. Hey, I did that earlier.
I broke the nose off too. Yeah.
Again.
No, it didn't. That's a new brake.
Yeah, the back one is. This one here's.
Oh, you broke the tip.
And I got a wing tip.
I don't know.
Where did it hit your truck? I don't know.
Yeah, right there's the mark.
Oh, that's an insurance claim. Oh, that's a big one.
Should I video it?
The thing I was.
Yeah, you better take a picture of that
was
for my
concerned
insurance
about.
company.
I didn't know what it was going to do.
Probably have to go after it on that one.
I do not. I do not have any.
Look, both tips broke. The one on that one and the one.
You got? Did you pick the one?
Yeah, I got this one right here.
Okay. That's a cigarette butt, isn't it?
I don't want that.
That fell out of the guy smoking because he was so damn nervous.
I don't want that.
Hey, the guy was so nervous he was smoking it. It fell out the ass end.
That is disappointing.
I'm sure that can be hot glued back together. I'm pretty sure of it. See, you should do the tabletop off. I think it would have lasted better. You would have been closer to the ground.
It was doing a pretty good
Yeah, but he'd been closer to the ground.
sideways pull.
It did come thrusted around, didn't it?
Right bad, man.
Yeah. I couldn't do that hardly anything with it. Rolled it
Rolled it and I'd have controlled it.
and rolled it and rolled it and rolled it. Kind of looked like one of my Aeromaster takeoff, didn't it?
I think you should get it out next time.
I don't think so. I don't see much good mojo going on here today. The mojo's going downhill quick.
It broke the rudder off too.
This thing stinks. You better take the battery, unplug the battery.
Pulled the tail clear out.
Smells funny.
Control horns off.
Smell funny?
No, that's not.
Oh, it's from the last time?
That's the last burn.
That's the pilot shit himself.
That's the ocean.
I think it pulled the one out of the two.
Yeah, it did. It pulled the elevator and the rudder.
Both of them out. Yeah,
Yeah, what we do with the wingtip?